You know, people have made a big stink about me talking about XRP at much higher prices, at ridiculous market caps, in their opinion. And when I respond to that, like, I believe that these things are going to happen. I believe that we're going to see XRP at a much higher level. I believe that, you know, XRP is going to be at a higher market cap. It's going to be worth more to a lot of people. It's going to be more usable. It's just all around going to be better than everything else that's in the crypto market. However, I understand where you're coming from. You have to kind of crawl before you walk. And, in this case, we have to actually get on, hands and knees before we actually start crawling, right? Because we're not at that level yet. Yes, we are seeing some things in development and things can happen very, very quickly. But we still are not necessarily the beginning stages of things, but the beginning stages of the utility side of things, if that makes sense. So what I want to do in this video is I want to talk about that first step. I want to talk about the step we need to take now, because the first step that we've already seen, right, getting from a level of 50 cents up to $1, up to $2, and so on and so forth. We've seen those happen. But now, from here, we have our first steps. What's the first step to getting to some of those levels, to getting to the $5 level, the $10 level, the $20 level, and getting to a higher use case and all that stuff? The first step is to break that all-time high, right? We've seen a resist from it, and we're waiting to see it actually get to that point. So before we get into this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about my link for BTCC down below if you guys are interested in that. The link to that is at the top of the description. And also, thank you to HyperSUI for sponsoring this video, but more on that later. Now, XRP currently stands at $2.12. It's at 17% down for the year. If we look at the last day, in the last 24 hours, it's down by 2.3%. The overall market cap's at a $128 billion market cap, with $3.2 billion worth of volume in the last 24 hours. We do have 60.33 billion coins in circulating supply. Now, yesterday, I made a video talking about how it can easily get to $100 per coin. And while I still believe that, it can easily get to $100 per coin, it's not just going to go from $2 to $100. It's not going to go from $2 straight to $50, right? Not cut to that level. It's going to take its time to get up to those points. You're going to see the peaks and valleys. You're going to see the movement, the highs, the lows, all of the things that you typically see in an investment. So I really shouldn't be just talking about, hey, this is the height it's going to get to. What about the in-between? What's the first step? What do you want to see first before you start to see that actual explosion up to some of the higher levels, right? And I think the thing we need to see first is seeing that all-time high. If you don't know what the all-time high is, if we scroll here and look at the price performance, we're going to see that the low and high for the day, $2.21. The low and high, or the low, is $2.13. The all-time high is $3.84. Now, while some people thought that might not happen because that was 8 years ago, we got insanely close this last year, right? We saw it at a high of $3.65, if I'm not mistaken. $3.65, while the high was $3.84. This is even without seeing altcoin season happen. Right, this is just with the hype and attention around cryptocurrency and slightly around some altcoins, some top tier altcoins. Some of the lower tier altcoins weren't really making those moves, but the top tier altcoins were making those moves. So we have things that are happening, that are developing to get it to these levels. One thing would be US spot XRP ETFs, right? Outpacing, previous ETFs and breaking records and all that stuff, right? Where you see 12-day inflow streak nearing $1 billion mark, which is amazing for an altcoin, right? Something that nobody believed in, that nobody would own, nobody wanted, right? All of these quotes and things that people said, XRP is desirable, right? For institutions, for banks, for regular people, for people that are more traditionalists when it comes to investing. So if that's the case, you see the money, the inflow that's actually happening there. Now, before we get into the rest of this breakdown, I want to talk about HyperSUI. If you guys haven't heard of HyperSUI, I talked about it a couple of times. It is the first perpetual trading powered by SUI. I put out a video yesterday saying how I went all in on SUI and bought a bunch of this position because I really did believe in what they had to offer and the things that they are doing. But seeing building and seeing development and seeing utility on that chain is also a huge thing. So HyperSUI actually brings that to the table when you talk about DEXs, when you talk about being able to utilize the SUI blockchain, to utilize the low cost and secure and fast ability of that chain in something like this. It's massive, right? Right now, it's a pre-sale that's going on that just recently saw some increases. So while the last time we talked about it, the listing price would be at about 1,500% increase. Now it's at about 13 or 1,400% increase from the time we are today, from current, right, recording this video to the listing price. It's going to be at a much higher price there. So what is HyperSUI? Just to break that down a little bit more in this video, if you haven't seen it before, built for speed and efficiency, HyperSUI offers lightning fast transactions, near zero gas fees, and seamless DeFi experience designed for modern traders with built-in staking, liquidity pools, and cross-chain swap functionality. HyperSUI delivers advanced trading tools while maintaining top-tier security. So you're getting these advanced features. You're getting the fastest on-chain terminal ever built. You're utilizing the SUI chain with its, again, ultra-low fees, high scalability, next-level user interface, right? You have low latency and all of that stuff there. This is offering you a little bit more and something that maybe you've been looking for there. So if you want to check it out, right, you can check them out on Twitter. I'll provide all of the links down below. But again, 14x at today's price. So if we go into the pre-sale, you're going to see here that the current price is at 0.0065 and the listing price is 0.09, meaning, or sorry, at 9 cents, right? I don't even have to say 0.09, but 0.099 cents. So you're going to be listing at a much higher price than where it is today. For an investor's sake, you can make a lot of money, but also use case in the end. Hopefully you can see that be at a massive scale. And with altcoin season coming, if this does fully launch during altcoin season, because we don't actually know when altcoin season is going to fully materialize, this could be massive. It could be much higher than where it stands at listing. And as people start to accept it, and as people start to believe in it, and as people start to like SUI as well as HyperSUI, check out HyperSUI. The link will be in the description. It'll be at the top of the description where you guys can get involved. I have over 100,000 HyperSUI, and I would love to see that turn into something a lot bigger because I bought a lot earlier. But you can buy now if you wanted to, and do your own research, obviously. But you can have a 14x at the listing price. So check it out. Link is at the top of the description. But again, XRP is at a unique stage right now because many people are believing in it. Many people say this is going to be, the next best thing and they're going to have the biggest investment that they've ever had. But you have to take those baby steps. You have to break that all-time high. And I think once we see that happen, then we will be able to experience the levels that we want to experience. The $5 price point, which is my first initial selling point. The $10 price point, which may be my second level, right? And then so on and so forth, different things that are happening with it. And you can baby step your way into it. But that first step for XRP is to go from this $2.12 mark all the way up to that $3.84 mark, which we weren't far away from, and we aren't far away from now. Yes, at a $4 price point, let's say, breaking that all-time high, you would be at what, a $240 billion market cap, which is may seem insane to some because it hasn't been there, but understanding what XRP will be for the crypto market, will be for the economy, will be for individuals and banks and all of that, it's a no-brainer, right? It is a stepping stone to even the next level. 250, $500 billion market cap, a $1 trillion market cap, and so on and so forth. So getting to that 100, you have to start somewhere. And we have to break that all-time high before we can see things absolutely explode. So I want to know what you guys think about XRP, about this thought process and, breaking all-time high. Do you believe that it's going to easily break it? I think, honestly, within the next few months, we should see that happen. But it really all depends on, what happens in the economy, what happens in the government, whether we're talking about interest rates and inflation and just all of that and how that really affects the crypto market in the long run. But for right now, taking those baby steps, getting XRP up to $3.85, just breaking that all-time high, which we'll see it break further than that, but just breaking it. That's the first step. I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out HyperSUI in the description below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.